everyone, myself Sanskriti Kadam and I am an executive AI engineer, also a content creator on Intelligenz talks. Today I am going to talk about GSSoC along with the Discord in detail. So be there, stay there, and if you like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe and share it with your friends. So if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, and there are some of the other links which is being mentioned in the link tree as well. So let me show you the website. So this is a website. If you scroll, yes. So first is the introduction. Again, it is a very good type of open source where it is one of the India's biggest such platforms where we as contributors or freshers can contribute to the real world projects for 3 months, and we can learn from our mentors and project admins just by contributing with them on their project. So once we be a part of this kind of platform, and if we reach a certain milestone, we get recognized with certificates, goodies and all, and we can build networking connections and everything that can lead to internships and jobs. Again, it's not guaranteed, but it can guarantee you the skills which is very necessary for the industries, which is why even I got selected, right? So I have been as a contributor in 2023 and top mentor, and in the same year, project admin in 2024. So they have migrated to Discord, and that is because there is a huge public, and Discord is a very good channel for us to understand how it becomes, right? So let me talk about applying now. Um, this is the website of GSSoC. If you want to apply now, you just need to click over here, and this is what you will get in front of you. You need to download it, an app that is Insights app, either for Android, either for iOS. If you have both, well and good. If you're not, you can download either of them. So I have shared a snippet of it about after downloading what you have to do. So once you download, then this will come in front of you. These are the type of roles where you want to get into GSSoC. So I have highlighted on contributor, email ID, number, gender, LinkedIn link, and GitHub. Once you click on next, then you come on this page. Ask for the type of tech stack you want, the projects you want to get contributed to. Resume is there. Then if you, what is the reason for you to join GSSoC, and what is your previous experience, and NA, this means that it is a referral code. If you don't have, write NA. If you have, then well and good. Once you hit submit, then you come on this page, your application gets submitted. This is the simple ones rather than Google form, and then you can just go and explore the app, and this is what you can find, and that is what I found in fact. Okay, so after this you have successfully applied for GSSoC. So after applying, you will get a link on your own Gmail ID regarding the Discord, which you need to join if you are get selected as a contributor, mentor, or project admin. But specifically today, I'm going to talk about only the contributor part. Okay, so I will also show you how the Discord looks like. But before that, these are my latest videos where I have covered the open source internships where you can get paid. There are some of the open source internships which they directly recruit the contributors, and that is CNCA for outreach, ones based on your own contribution to their projects. GSoC is a brand name, and GSSoC is also a brand name. So it will be helping you to gain a handful of skills which are very good for IT industry debuting. Once you get selected, then this is a resume mistakes which we as freshers do, since we don't get any feedback from our college placement cells or even the companies who come and take our interviews. So I have made a in-depth video for the same, so you can understand the do's and don'ts, and this is a very good opportunity for you to get everything in one Notion document. Yes, so let's go to the Discord. This is the Discord of GSSoC. First, you can see channels and roles. There are project admin, campus ambassador, mentor, contributor. So once you click on contributor, you will get routed to these three. If you click on mentor, you will be getting these three channels. If you will get project admin, you will get these three channels. And if you get campus ambassador, you will get these three channels. Whereas, as you can see down what part is remaining the same. So your role matters a lot. When it comes to newbie, when it comes to intermediate, doesn't matter anything. It's okay. So this is a welcome part, as and when you go to the welcome, once you join the server, this is how it will show. The rules being mentioned over here by GSSoC, it is very important to follow these rules. Always put your name, and besides that your role, that is if you're a contributor PA, for example here, Harsha is his name and program manager is a core team member of GSSoC. That is why he is written. If you are a contributor, then if you go to the contributor announcement, here you can see the program manager and everything. See, everything has been given to here. This is the announcement. Here you can see a log sign is being done, so you can't write anything to this channel. Even the contributors journal, here you can see a contributor is messaging. How you come to know? Because there is a name which is being given and beside this contributor row. Okay, if you want to have a chat, verbal chat, you can just click on here. So you can talk about yourself or the type of tech stack which you are interested in into. These parts of the channels are very important, especially the media and the project intro discussion. That is where you will find the projects. There are some of the PAs, as you can see over here. These are the PAs calling the contributors. They have mentioned the link, dockets, and everything. Also, there are some of the contributors like these who mention the type of project admin they are for, the type of project they are. They want contributors for the tech stacks and everything. They mention in their own this type of messages. They also mention the type of project they are making. The LinkedIn link, if you want to go and ask them on LinkedIn. GitHub repos, where you have to contribute highly. This is a live and the preview one where you can understand how the project is. If you go on project intro discussion, again same, there are so many projects. So here this is one of the project where I have clicked on. Okay, research paper organization means where about this. When I click here, you can see research paper organizer. A project admin has written what is this project upon. These are the tech skills, and if you're interested, you can go to this GitHub repository and explore. If you have any doubts, right? So here you can see down. I hope it can see. If not, so this is somewhat the doubts where the people have asked. Contributor has asked the doubts, and PA has answered. If you click on this, it will show you the same thing. Okay, so you can directly talk to your program admins over here or to the mentors by just doing @. This is very important because before you asking a question, you should always make sure that you are tagging the person, or else the person won't respond. He won't understand to whom you are asking and everything. So it's very important. Okay, so these media and project intro discussion is where you can find the project intro a lot. Whereas the rest of the channels like bot CMD, there are also some of the PAs who write about themselves, their project and tech stack. So you can also take advantage of this. Off topic, actually it's for off topic, but again, project admins to mention all these things. Networking, again the same part. Mentors and project admins are present. Even the core team is also present over here, so you can just go to the networking channel and you can get it done, right? These are the voice channels. Now there are doubts where people, we as contributors, if we want to ask doubts, so there are two types. First is verbal doubts. If you want to get into a verbal conversation, you can hit on those voice channels, especially the doubt voice channel. Or if you are shy to talk, you can just navigate to this, that is a chat one. So weekly task of CA is there. This icon, it shows the messages. So this is Insights app unupdated. This is a doubt which a mentor or CA has raised. There are two messages. So this is how it looks. Okay. So he is one of the core team member, and he is resolving the doubt of this mentor. And if you have anything, then only. Now why I don't have the permission? Because this doubt is not mine. Okay, so I can't message anything. Now, if a person wants to raise a doubt, do this posting. You just need to write the title, you need to enter the message, and that's it. The core team members will come back to you. Let's talk about the resources. Okay, so these are the project admins. Again, they are trying to put their own types over here. So this is one thing. Now, if a person wants to learn something, that is the resources, right? So this is how you can say this is a medium. A person has mentioned that this is a medium. So if you want to kickstart your journey, this is a resource, right? Even medium link is a resource to you. You can go and view. When it comes to project support, again, if you have any doubts regarding anything, like any project, be it a contributor, PA or mentor, this is a very good platform for you to ask your doubts again, if you want to have a support. Fun section, it's the counting, Gartic, and OWO is the game part. Well, when you play, then only you will come to understand how it is. I had just played Gartic and counting. Like counting is like 1, 2, 3. If you miss a number, it will prompt you like, hey, you missed this number. I think it is there. Yes, something like this. Gartic, I haven't played it, so I don't have an idea. Even though W, this is a music where you can just click and you can get listen to the music. Well, the server starts are locked, so you even when you click, you won't have anything. So don't get afraid or don't get startled that if am I in the wrong server or so. So it's not like that. It's good. You are in the right server. Just when something is locked, you can't message. Okay, when something is locked, you can't message here. And while something which is open, there is no lock sign over here. So you can message. Okay. So I have covered the details of the Discord part, navigating Discord. Here in the Notion document, I have mentioned in an informative way. And if you want to have a detailed walkthrough, you can just rewind this video and again watch the Discord part. I mentioned about how to ask the doubts. Yes, so it's the channels, verbal or text. Connecting with mentors and admins, you can connect it even while contributing to the particular project. Pro tips for contributors, yes. So if a contributor wants to be consistent and they have to raise a PR, there are two types of PRs. I will show you in the further part of the video as well. So stay tuned, and you need to contribute in a very essential and effective way rather than creating empty PRs. And yes, so let me show you one thing. So this is my profile of GitHub. You can go and check. When it comes to repositories, the repository where my people had contributed, that is in Tech of Intelligence, which I had given in GSSoC 2024. So this is a website how it looks like. I will just give you a short glance. Like the cursor where I'm moving right now, left, right. It's the star ones which is being contributed by the contributors. The upper ones also being contributed by the contributors. This, the effect, multi-language, and the topmost button being done. Okay. So now there are two branches which is being made, Dev branch and my branch. Many contributors are being told to make a new branch and make changes so that we as a program managers or program admins, project admins can view the changes, and if it is catering to the needs, then only we will merge in the main so that the original code remains intact and it's not changed by the contributors directly. I will show you the contributors work. This is the contributors work which you can see. Even you can contribute to the readme as well. One contributor had added this one. It is automatic. Like those contributors who want to be a part of all these things, their icon just comes over here. Okay. So let me just tell you about issues. These are the open issues and the closed issues. There are levels for the particular issues, level 1, 2, and 3. Like for example, the point system would be different, but I will just give you an example. Like in level 1, for level 1 it will be 1 point, level 2 2, level 3 3. So that is how your contribution comes effective. If you are contributing to level 3, your points will get added. You need to be consistent. There are many contributors on the way. So yes, so let me just tell you about issues. These are the open issues and the closed issues. There are levels for the particular issues, level 1, 2, and 3. So So this is a open issue. When I go over here, these are the closed issues. Why it is closed? Because they have made the pull request and some of them I have merged. See here. Okay. So when I go to the pull request section, I can again see open and closed. You can create a new pull request. If you want a detailed video on how to create a pull request, do comment down in this video. This is a closed one, L1, L2 and everything. How the PR looks like, I will show you. This is a closed one. Like here, she has mentioned that this is the issue number for which she has raised this PR. Okay, so you can see this is what she has highlighted. She wanted to add all these things, make it more beautiful. And once she has done, this is been shown only to the project admin and not to the contributors, even not to the mentors. Okay, actually we don't show, it is being automatically shown. So this is what she is telling me to check my PR. Once the PR is in, then this will come. PR request successfully merged and closed. Okay, this branch was successfully deployed. So everything will be shown to a contributor once their PR has been merged successfully and it is being closed. Then you get the point for level 1, level 2, level 3, whatever. So this was for level 2. So this contributor has got level 2 points. Okay. Some project admins also create the discussions part where you can go over here. Like I will show you one thing. This is my project. So I had made the discussions where one contributor wanted to ask about the features. So how I can do this, how it is building, etc., etc. So I had explained him everything over here, and he has given an upvote. So yes, this is the part of the smaller project which we as a project admins do. If we are putting any project, the issues and the PRs, everything are being raised. So GSSoC isn't just about writing code. Yes, it is an open source, so you can learn a lot from them. Discord is very good for you. If you are not able to understand, you can rewind this video and you can understand where I have stressed the word for doubts, the projects, where you can go and check about its descriptions and get started with your contributions. So subscribe, yes, to my channel. So this is my channel, how it looks. It is about career guidance, unfiltered tech podcast and AI projects where I talk about. You can see those many videos I have mentioned. The playlist is also there. Once you click on a playlist, you can get everything about campus placements and all. If you like the video, again, like, share, subscribe. So teach, learn and evolve. Signing off, this is Sanskriti Kadam.